So as I look at the terms of the sequence given, 73, 70, 67, and then 61, we're asked to figure out the next four terms. Well, as I look at this, 73 minus 67 is a difference of 6, right? Or I could say 67 minus 73 is negative 6. But the point is, as I move forward here, each time I'm subtracting 6 to get the next term. So if I take my 67 and subtract 6, I would get 61. So I'm just going to continue this. I'm going to subtract 6. So if I have the number 61, and I subtract 6 from it, the next value would be 55. And 55 minus 6 is 49. 49 minus 6 is 43. And 43 minus 6 is 37. So the sequence definitely continues, but we were just asked to identify the next four terms in the sequence. The next question says, what's the generator for this sequence? Well, it's subtracting 6 each time. So you can write minus 6, or you can say subtract 6 each time. The point is that it's decreasing by, the addition of negative 6, or it's decreasing with addition subtraction, not multiplication division. And by the way, the next question, what kind of sequence it is and how can you tell? This sequence is arithmetic. Because it involves, I guess the reason why is I'll say the generator involves adding. And in this case, it is adding a negative number. And then finally it says, write the explicit formula for the sequence. So the big thing we've got is it's going down by 6 each time, right? So we need to show repeated addition of negative 6. The way that we show repeated addition is using multiplication. So if I write negative 6n, if n is the term number of the sequence, that's going to subtract 6's, and it's depending on what n is will tell me how many 6's it actually subtracts. I need to know the 0th term of the sequence in order to do this. I know the first term was 73, so if I want to go back and get the 0th term, I would add 6, and it would be at 79. So the explicit formula for this would be, I could use t of n, if the value at a particular term number is, I could say, what was it, 79 minus 6n, that would be acceptable. You could say it's negative 6n and then plus 79, either way is fine. But what happens is, as n moves forward, right, I'm subtracting an additional 6 each time. So n could be 1, it would give me 73, n could be 2, n could be 3, etc. Right, that's it for that question.